Quitting your job might sound crazy until you see these machines in action. Hamburger machine. If you've ever dreamed of having your own burger brand, this machine is the first step to making it a reality. With it, you can produce beef, chicken, pork, fish, or even vegetarian and vegan burger patties. Mix the ingredients and form exact portions in seconds, guaranteeing quality and efficiency. Whether you want to sell your burgers to restaurants, supply food trucks, or start your own fast food business, this machine allows you to produce quickly and uniformly. Also, if you like the idea of selling for home delivery or at local markets, you can offer frozen hamburgers ready to cook. Let's suppose you produce 100 hamburgers a day, and each one costs you about 50 cents in raw materials. If you sell them for $1, you are making 50 cents per unit. This means $50 of profit daily, and in 1 month, you could be generating more than $1,500. With an investment of $800 in this machine, you can start generating income from the first month. The demand for hamburgers never decreases, and with a good recipe and sales strategy, you can build a successful business. If you are passionate about baking, imagine being able to produce perfect croissants with a machine that shapes them quickly and uniformly. With this tool, you can make classic croissants, chocolate-filled, ham and cheese, almonds, and many more irresistible options. Ideal for bakeries, cafes, and culinary entrepreneurs. The key is in the quality and offering innovative flavors that win over customers. If you produce 200 croissants per day and the cost of each includes ingredients, it is 30 cents, but you sell them for 80 cents. The profit per unit is 50 cents. This means $100 daily and more than $2,500 a month. The bakery and pastry market continues to grow, and with a machine like this, you can improve the production and presentation of your croissants. Drink the coffee and eat the cup. Imagine surprising your customers with an edible waffle cup. Crunchy, delicious, and perfect for serving coffee, hot chocolate, or desserts. With this machine, you can create waffle cups in minutes, ready to fill with whatever you want. The concept is unique and viral, ideal for cafes, bakeries, or creative ventures. The world of coffee and pastries continues to grow, and innovative options attract attention. You can sell these cups to coffee shops, offer them in your own business, or even sell kits for people to make them at home. With just $200 of investment, you can start generating income quickly. If you produce 50 waffle cups a day at a cost of 30 cents per unit and sell them at $1.50, you would be making $1.20 per cup. That means $60 daily and more than $1,800 a month. Coffee with an edible cup is not just a trend, it's an experience. Give your business an original twist and start earning with this unique product. Machine for roasted chickens. If there is one business that never goes out of style, it's roasted chicken. With this machine, you can roast whole chickens, ribs, pork, or even vegetables, achieving that smoky and golden flavor you love. Sinte pono aposite tensias. It is perfect for entrepreneurs who want to open their own rotisserie or expand a food business. Roast chicken is one of the best-selling foods in Latin America because it is delicious, affordable, and suits any occasion. If we roast and sell 20 chickens a day with a cost of $4 per unit, including seasonings and gas, and sell them for $10. The profit per chicken is $6, $120 of daily profit, more than $3,600 a month. Food always sells, and roasted chickens are a safe bet. With this machine, you can start today and watch your business grow quickly. Aluminum packaging machine. Aluminum dishes are indispensable in the fast food industry, restaurants, supermarkets, and catering. With this machine, you can manufacture aluminum dishes, trays, and containers of different sizes, perfect for hot and cold foods. It is an ideal investment for those looking for a profitable industrial business with high demand. The disposable packaging market continues to grow as food businesses seek practical and durable options. You can sell to wholesalers, supermarkets, supply distributors, or restaurant restaurants directly. With an investment of $36,000, you can produce on a large scale and recover your money in a few months. Let's suppose you produce 10,000 plates a day, with an approximate cost of 5 cents per unit. If you sell them at 12 cents each, the profit per unit is 7 cents. $700 of daily profit, more than $21,000 a month. This business has high demand and repeat customers, which means constant income. If you are looking for a solid and scalable investment, laser cutting and engraving machine. This machine is perfect for customizing products, with prices ranging from $1,000 to $5,000. You can create signs, personalized jewelry, and souvenirs. Personalized products are in high demand, especially for weddings and corporate events. A small investment with huge results. Cotton vending machine. Să pune să stecă în încheie să nesiste. With an investment of $1,500 to $4,000, you can establish a business that operates 24 hours a day. Just as you hear it, a well-located machine can generate between $5,000 and $1,000 a month with little supervision. EcoBlock machine. For prices between $2,000 and $8,000, this machine allows you to enter the sustainable construction market. Ecological blocks are not only environmentally friendly, but they are also cheaper and in high demand. With an investment of $2,000 to $10,000, you can convert plastic waste into useful products. Imagine producing pots or decorative pieces and selling them in eco-friendly stores. This business has a double impact, both economic and environmental, especially in today's world. Bottling machine. For an investment between $3,000 to $15,000, you can bottle purified water or natural juices. The demand for drinking water never decreases. A small plant could generate constant income month after month. For an investment between $1,000 to $5,000, this machine is indispensable for advertising businesses. Banners, stickers, and signs are in high demand for events, campaigns, and stores. Additionally, you can use it to decorate motorcycles and cars, with a profitability that can go up to 1,000%. For an investment between $300 to $1,000, this machine changes tires of different sizes, ideal for tire mounting and repair services, ideal for setting up an auto repair shop, or for specifically servicing motorcycles. Anyone who uses a motor vehicle can be our customer. Profitability is moderate to high. Mounting services can generate margins of 50 to 60%. But if we combine it with the sale of tires, we can greatly maximize profits. This is a machine that I see having a high probability of success because nowadays most people use a motorcycle, a bicycle, or a skateboard. Additionally, if you combine this with the idea of having a mobile workshop, for tire installation it can be very successful. Silicone mold machine. The investment ranges from $300 to $2,000. With this machine, we can create different molds that can be used for baking, crafts, and industrial manufacturing. Molds for candles, soaps, decorative figures, and pastry products are in high demand. Also, with the current trend of making crafts and other souvenirs, this is a successful product. Our market would be handicrafts, bakeries, and finally, what I would target, personalized products. Since being personalized products, our profit margin can be much higher. If you are passionate about crafts and want to turn your creativity into income, Cricut Joy Extra can be your best ally. In this video, I will show you everything you need to know about this incredible cutting machine and how you can use it to create personalized and profitable products. The Cricut Joy Extra not only precisely cuts more than 50 materials such as vinyl, cardstock, sticker paper, and more, but it is also compatible with your home inkjet printer, allowing you to print and then cut full-color designs. The creative possibilities are endless. This type of machine is perfect for starting a business from home, as with an affordable investment of $179, you can create personalized products and sell them on platforms like Facebook, Marketplace, Instagram, or even in local markets. Some ideas for profitable products include custom stickers, sold starting from $3 each or in packs for $10 to $15. handmade greeting cards, ideal for special occasions, with prices starting at $5. Custom labels and packaging, perfect for small businesses looking to highlight their brand. Decorative and car vinyls, very popular in online stores and local fairs. Personalized t-shirts and textiles. Use the Cricut to cut designs on textile vinyl and create unique t-shirts. The Cricut Joy is worth it. Extra. If you're looking for a compact, easy to use, and versatile machine, this is an excellent option. It sets up in minutes and connects with the Cricut app, which makes it easier to create designs without needing to be an expert. Additionally, it is portable, so you can take it to events, fairs, or craft gatherings with friends. The Cricut Joy Extra not only allows you to save time and effort in the production of your products, but it also gives you the opportunity to create unique and personalized items, something that is in high demand in the current market. The profitability of this machine will depend on your creativity, effort, and sales strategies. But here is a basic example. Initial investment, $179. Cost of the machine, average cost of materials per sticker, 50 cents. Sale price per sticker, $3. Profit per sticker, $2.50. With only 72 stickers sold, you would recover the initial investment. And that's not counting other more profitable products like custom cards or decorative vinyls. Imagine what you could achieve with large orders or collaborations with small businesses. If you want to learn more about starting a business with profitable machines, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any videos. Leave in the comments what products you would like to create with the Cricut Joy Extra. Date pues a acento arseaste. Electric pressure washer. Did you know that with a pressure washer, you can start a profitable business with just $99? This tool not only makes it easier to clean multiple surfaces, but it can also become a stable source of income. If you are looking for a way to start a business from home, with low investment and high demand, stay until the end, because I explain how to make the most of this machine, what products and services you can offer with a pressure washer. This type of machine is ideal for cleaning a wide variety of surfaces and objects that, over time, accumulate dirt that is difficult to remove. Some services you can offer include car and motorcycle washing, removing dirt without damaging the paint and leaving an impeccable finish. Cleaning driveways and sidewalks, ideal for removing oil stains, mud, and mold from concrete. Restoration of terraces and patios, perfect for wood, stone, and pavers. Cleaning of facades and businesses. Restaurants, stores, and offices need this service regularly. Maintenance of fences and walls. Removes mold, moss, and dirt in minutes. Washing of boats and caravans. Ideal for cleaning large surfaces quickly and efficiently. With this machine of 4,200 psi and 2.5 GPM, the cleaning power is incredible, removing even the most embedded dirt without the need for abrasive chemicals. This machine allows you to start up without previous experience and with very low operating costs. Here are some examples of how you can structure your business. Car washing. A basic service can cost between $10 and $25 per car. If you wash 5 cars a day, you could earn between $50 and $125 daily. Cleaning patios and sidewalks. Depending on the size, a service can cost between $25 and $60. With just 4 clients a month, you would recover the investment in a few days. Cleaning of facades and businesses. This is a high-value service. With prices ranging from $18 to $45 depending on the size and level of dirt. If you are looking for a profitable machine, easy to use, and with multiple business opportunities, the electric pressure washer is an excellent option. With a minimal investment, you can generate steady and growing income by offering highly demanded cleaning services. Die cutting and cutting machine. Starting a business with this machine is easy and profitable. You can sell your creations on social media, local markets, or even set up your own online store. Let's look at some examples of profitability. Customized cards. Each card can be sold for between $3 and $10. With just 10 sales a day, you could generate $3,000 a month. Wedding invitations. A package of 50 invitations can be sold for between $100 and $250. Just 5 orders a month can leave you with more than $1,000 in profit. Decorations for events. Designing and selling toppers, labels, and ornaments can generate steady income. Pasamos en kerese pesin pampaitanis ke. A personalized decoration package sells for $30 to $80. Labels and personalized packaging, perfect for small businesses seeking exclusive branding. You can offer packages of 100 labels for $40 to $100. Example of profitability. Initial investment, $100. Cost of the machine, basic materials, paper, cardboard, glue, inks, $50. Profit per order, $20 to $100. With just 5 to 10 orders, you recover your investment and start generating profits. How to start your crafts business with the Big Shot. 1. Buy your die cutting machine. With $100, you have a powerful tool to start a business in your hands. 2. Create a product catalog. Design examples of cards, labels, decorations, and more. 3. Post on social media and marketplaces. Use Facebook, Instagram, Etsy, and TikTok to reach customers. 4. Do collaborations with event organizers and local businesses. Offer your products as part of their packages. 5. Deliver quality and personalized products. Customers are looking for unique and well-crafted designs. If you are looking for a way to earn money with crafts, the Big Shot cutting machine is an excellent option. With a minimal investment, you can start selling personalized and highly demanded products, generating income from the comfort of your home. Fabric cutter for straps. Starting a business with this machine is easy and profitable, as with a low initial investment, you can begin offering personalized products. Manufacturing custom straps. A strap belt with a clasp can sell for $5 to $15. With 10 daily sales, it generates $150 a day. Sealed ropes for sports and climbing. A rope cut and sealed to size sells for $10 to $30. Foam decorations for events. Designs for weddings and parties can be sold from $20 to $80. Upholstery and repair. If you offer precision cuts in upholstery, you can charge $10 to $50 per service. Quick and precise cuts. Ready in 7 seconds with temperatures up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid fraying, ideal for fabric, rope, and foam products without the need for extra stitching. Wide variety of uses, from upholstery to customization of backpacks and accessories. If you're looking for an easy and profitable way to make money from home, the rope and fabric cutter is a smart investment. Its precision, speed, and versatility allow you to offer quality products with high profit margins. With just a few sales, you recover your investment and start generating stable income. Subscribe to the channel for more ideas on profitable machines and home businesses.